Most people see a plain-looking Japanese sedan or wagon and think nothing of it. Maybe it belongs to a teacher, maybe it's somebody's mom heading to the supermarket. But some of the most terrifying machines ever to leave Japan wore exactly that disguise, unremarkable bodies hiding engineering so extreme it embarrassed pure sports cars at every traffic light. These aren't supercars with aggressive looks and low-slung bodies, these are sleepers. Cars that blend in, stay silent, and then absolutely destroy everything around them. Today, we're counting down the 10 rarest Japanese sleepers. Machines so overlooked they've become legends among those who know what to look for. Number 10, Toyota Caldina GT4. The Toyota Caldina GT4 was, on the surface, a completely ordinary estate wagon. 5 doors, practical body, the kind of thing you'd see parked outside a convenience store in Osaka and not look at twice. But underneath lived championship-level engineering, borrowed from Toyota's rally-bred Celica GT4. The GT4 variant packed a 3S GTE turbocharged engine, producing around 260 horsepower, paired with full all-wheel drive and suspension tuned for real-world performance that had no business existing in something this practical. Japan only. Almost no examples through official channels. Those who've driven one describe it as genuinely shocking. An estate wagon that corners and accelerates with precision that absolutely should not exist in something this boring. Number 9, Subaru Legacy B4 Twin Turbo. The Subaru Legacy B4 delivered supercar acceleration in total silence, wrapped in a saloon body that looked like it belonged to a mid-level insurance manager. The Twin Turbo EJ20 Flat 4 came straight out of Subaru's World Rally Championship program. Claimed output sat at 276 horsepower on paper. Owners who dyno tested their cars found figures that told a considerably different story. What made this car so deceptive wasn't just the power, it was the delivery. The all-wheel drive system and composed ride made extreme speed feel completely effortless. You could be pulling serious numbers before the speedometer had registered what was happening. A cult classic in Japan precisely because of how completely under the radar it operated. Number 8, Mitsubishi Galant VR4. The Mitsubishi Galant VR4 is one of the most criminally underrated Japanese performance cars ever produced, and that's partly because it looks so utterly unremarkable. Mitsubishi's executive saloon, the kind of car that blended into corporate car parks without a second glance. What the badge didn't advertise was a turbocharged engine, an advanced all-wheel drive system sophisticated for its era, and available four-wheel steering on certain models. The Galant VR4 platform formed the basis of Mitsubishi's early WRC success, with competition engineering filtering directly into the road car. Outside hardcore JDM circles, almost nobody knows it exists. That anonymity is exactly what makes it one of the greatest sleepers Japan ever produced. Number 7, Nissan Skyline 25G T-Turbo. Everyone knows the R34 Nissan Skyline GTR, but its lesser-known sibling, the 25 GT Turbo, flew completely under the radar, and that was entirely by design. The 25 GT Turbo wore the same R34 body as the GTR, but sent power to the rear wheels only through the RB25 DET inline 6. Around 280 horsepower in stock form, more than enough to humiliate conventional sports cars. Because it didn't carry the GTR badges, it attracted far less attention from police, from rivals at traffic lights, and from anyone who hadn't done their homework. In Japan, it became a sleeper racer's weapon of choice, modified discreetly, driven aggressively, and almost impossible to identify as a threat until it was already gone. Number 6, Honda Accord Euro R. Honda's Type R badge is revered worldwide. The Accord Euro R applied that same obsessive engineering philosophy to a car that aesthetically was about as exciting as a government document. Under the bonnet sat a 2.2-liter H22A, producing around 217 horsepower. Impressive for a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, but it was how that power was delivered that separated the Euro R from everything else in its class. The engine screamed toward 8,000 revolutions per minute with mechanical precision that reminded drivers the engineers who built the NSX had touched this thing. A close ratio 6-speed manual, a limited slip differential, and suspension tuned for feedback over comfort, all pointed to a car with a very specific purpose. Japan-only production and limited numbers mean genuine examples are now genuinely hard to source, and values are climbing steadily. If you're enjoying this, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We cover the rarest and most underrated Japanese cars that mainstream channels completely miss. Number 5, Nissan Stagea 260 RS. The Nissan Stagea 260 RS might be the single greatest sleeper ever built. To all appearances, it's a practical family estate wagon, 5 seats, a big boot, bodywork styled for the school run. And then you open the bonnet. The RB26DETT, the same twin turbocharged inline-6 that powered the legendary Skyline GTR. Nissan, through their Autech division, fitted that engine into an estate wagon and called it the 260 RS. The Atenza ETS all-wheel drive system came along for the ride, transferred directly from the GTR. Nissan essentially built a GTR estate wagon and dressed it in the most anonymous body they had available. Never officially sold outside Japan, intentionally limited production, today it has achieved near mythical status among JDM collectors. Number 4, Toyota Aristo V 300 Vertex Edition. The Toyota Aristo V 300 Vertex Edition was marketed as a luxury executive saloon. Leather seats, walnut trim, a quiet cabin, all of it pointed toward senior management and long motorway journeys. What Toyota didn't advertise loudly was what sat under the bonnet. The two JZGTE, the same twin turbocharged inline-6 that powers the Supra, one of the most tunable engines ever produced. Around 280 horsepower in factory form, but the architecture meant significant power gains were available with relatively modest modification. The Aristo V300 attracted buyers who wanted serious performance completely invisible to the outside world. The luxury presentation meant nobody looked twice. The 2JZ meant that was entirely deliberate. Number 3, Toyota Crown Athlete V. The Toyota Crown is Japan's executive saloon of choice. Formal, conservative, used by politicians, company directors, and senior civil servants. It is perhaps the least likely car you'd associate with street racing culture. And yet, the Crown Athlete V became well known in Japanese car folklore as a highway racer's weapon. The Athlete V combined that imposing formal body with a turbocharged 1JZGTE inline-6, a direct relative of the legendary 2JZ, producing power that made a complete mockery of its presidential presentation. Crown platforms have been used in police roles across Japan, which only deepened the psychological cover this car carried. Nobody expected trouble from something that looked this official. The car was never intended for this life, but it found one anyway. Number 2, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution Wagon. The Lancer Evolution Saloon's performance credentials are well established worldwide. Fewer people know about the Evo wagon, a vehicle that took everything that made the Evo extraordinary and added an estate body without compromising a single element of the performance package. Identical mechanical specification to the saloon. The 4 G6-3 turbocharged engine, the AYC rear differential, the ACD center differential, and the full active all-wheel drive system developed through years of WRC competition. Around 2,000 units produced, sold exclusively in Japan. Outside dedicated Evo communities, very few people know these exist. Those who find clean examples treat them as serious collector's items. A car that offers everything a hardcore driver could want, while being impossible to identify as a threat from the outside. Number 1, Mazda Atenza Sportwagon MPS. Our number 1 goes to a car so forgotten that even dedicated JDM enthusiasts occasionally blank on it. The Mazda Atenza Sportwagon MPS. One of the rarest and most overlooked performance wagons Japan ever produced. The Atenza Sportwagon MPS packed a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 260 horsepower, delivered through Mazda's active torque split all-wheel drive system, a sophisticated setup distributing power between axles depending on conditions and driver inputs. The all-wheel drive architecture gave it a composed, confidence-inspiring character that made the performance feel deceptively manageable right up until you looked at the numbers. What sealed its place at the top is the complete absence of any visual aggression. Nothing in this car's appearance hints at what it contains. It sits in a car park looking like a sensible choice from a manufacturer known for sensible choices, while the turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive system quietly wait for an empty road. Production was modest, export volumes minimal. The Mazda Atenza Sport Wagon MPS is rare, deeply capable, and almost completely forgotten. In a list dedicated to cars that look slow but move fast, there is no more fitting choice for number one. Every car on this list represents the same philosophy. Genuine performance doesn't need to announce itself. Japan produced machines for decades that could humiliate exotic sports cars while carrying shopping, school bags, or briefcases in the back. The engineers knew exactly what they were doing. The anonymity was the point. If you want more deep dives into the rarest and most underrated Japanese performance machines, subscribing to this channel is the most sensible decision you'll make today. Hit the notification bell, leave a comment telling us which of these 10 surprised you the most, and we'll see you in the next one.